Hi guys, welcome to Little Dream House, and today I'll be showing you how to make cute little stool cushions. So I have my stool here and I'll be showing you how to make a pretty little frilly cushion for this. And I also kind of wanted to show off my new refrigerator for my miniature kitchen. Right now it's empty, as you can see, but I'm hoping within time we'll be able to fill this fridge up. I really like this fridge. It's got like little storage units for like frozen stuff and little storage units for drinks. I love this fridge. It's by far one of my favorite ones that I've seen online. And I also like this little space here, which I plan to maybe make a miniature clipboard and maybe some magnet. I digress, but going back to the purpose of this video, which is the DIY of course, the first thing you will need is some of this foam material. I don't know, packing foam is what I call it. I have some lying around the house. You could possibly use felt instead as well, but this is just going to be used as the filling to the cushion. So what you first want to do is you want to get your packing foam and place your stool, or the top of the stool, on top of the packing foam and trace it. So once you've traced it, you then want to cut it out, and depending on how thick you want the cushion to be, you can layer it up and use several layers of packing foam or felt or whatever you're using. So I'm just going to do that. So now I'm gonna glue the two pieces of packing foam together and then glue it onto the top of the stool. So just to let you guys know, the type of glue that I use is this glue, and it's called Uhu, and it's an all-purpose adhesive. It works on fabrics and wood, so this is why I like to use this particular glue, and I would recommend it. So now if you need to, you can trim off any excess. So the next item you will need is a piece of fabric, again with small print on it, that you want to use on your stool. And I've chosen this one because I feel like it matches well with my kitchen theme. So yeah. So what I've done now is I've just turned over the fabric, and I'm just going to place the stool on top of here, and I'm going to trace around the stool. So I've drawn the circle here. I had to redraw it because it wasn't very visible with a pencil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place another slightly bigger circular object on top of it and then trace around that and then cut out the larger circle. So this is what your circular piece should look like, and if you want to, you can actually add some lace. I have some cute lace here and I'm just gonna glue that around the edges of this circular piece. So yeah. So once you've done that, your cushion piece should look something like this. So instead of sticking down the lace flat, I decided to ruffle them up a bit as I was sticking them down so that it would give it more texture and it wouldn't look as flat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick down the stool in the center like so. So the next part for this is to glue it around the edges and stick it down so that it creates ruffles, and it should look something like this. So now that's done, here is what it looks like. It still looks a bit messy and I kind of want to add a ribbon to it, so I have this hot pink or bright pink ribbon here. I plan to use the non-spotty side, so because this ribbon is way too thick, I'm just gonna cut a very thin strand of it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. Is the cute little stool. I've tied a little bow on it and glued down the ribbon, and this is what it looks like. Now you can change the length of this if you want to, just use something that's larger to draw the bigger circle, and then it might even like reach the floor if you want it to, but I kind of wanted to show off the legs of the stool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you would like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.